The line is drawn parallel.
Okay, so this was one Thales theorem. Today I was taking class for one of my student, grade 10 student.
Oh.
So this was from triangles. Okay.
Yeah.
So again in the trigonometry, if I just need to remind what are the things that we have yet learned. So there is one sine of, let us say, A, which is, we can say, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. I am using P for perpendicular, H for hypotenuse.
Yeah.
Then there will be a cos A, which will be base upon hypotenuse. Then it will be a tan A, which is perpendicular upon base, or you can say it is sine A upon cos A as well.
Yeah.
Then I taught you the three identities for Pythagorean, which was sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Then 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. And then 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. These are the three Pythagorean identities.
Yeah.
And then I taught you about reciprocal identities, which was sine A into cosec A is equal to 1. Then cos A into sec A is equal to 1. And tan A into cot A, which is also equal to 1. Pythagorean identities. This is Pythagorean, this is reciprocal identities. Okay. Then I told you about this Pythagoras triplet as well. And some of the Pythagoras triplet that we need to remember is 3, 4, 5. Then the second one will be 5, 12 and 13. The third one will be 7, 40 and 41. The fourth one is going to be 7, 24 and 25, sorry. 7, 24 and 25. The 40 and 41 is with 9. So 9, 40 and 41. Then 11, 60 and 61. Then apart from that we have 8, 15 and 17.
Yeah.
Then
and then
we
24, 29.
Yeah, that is also there. And one more I made you write in the last class, that is 12, 35 and 37. And after that you can write 20, 21 and 29.
12, 20, 35, 35.
12, 35, 37, sorry. This should be 37.
Yeah.
And the order in which I have written is serially. Means from increasing order, from the left hand side. The first number is in the increasing order. That's why I wrote like this. So 8th Pythagoras triplet. And the beauty about all this Pythagoras triplet is, one pattern that you can look at it is, one of the number is always a prime number. At least one of the number is a prime number. Yes, you can see 5 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. 5 and 13 are prime numbers. 7 is a prime number. 41 is a prime number. 11 is a prime number. 61 is a prime number. 17 is a prime number. 37 is a prime number. 29 is a prime number. So this is the, so one of the number is at least a prime number, because if it is not a prime number, then you don't need to remember. It would have been the sum part by multiplying all the numbers by 2, or all the numbers by 3, or all the numbers by 4. Because if I multiply this whole equation by 2, I will get another Pythagoras triplet, which is 6, 8 and 10. If I multiply the whole equation by 3, I will get one more Pythagoras triplet, which is 5 into 3, 15, 12 into 3, 36, and 13 into 3 is 39.
But then if there's so many, then what's the point of like learning only 8 of them?
because you will get all these kind of numbers in your life, and if you get to see the highest common factor of all these numbers and you have been asked to find the third side, you don't need to do the square and then add or subtract. Just by following the ratio of it, you can find the third side very easily.
Yeah.
Because if I say that one of the side is, let us say one of the side is 27, one of the side is 120, can you tell me what is the third side? So one way is to do the square of 120 and do the square of 27, add them, then find the square root, taking 3 steps.
41.
Now you know that this is 9. If you divide this by 3, this by 3, this is 40. So 41 into 3 is 123. So this side is going to be 123.
Yeah.
Because all the numbers are multiplied by 3. Sometimes you will be seeing a number, one of the side is going to be 4.5, another side is going to be 20. So rather than finding the square of 4.5 and 20 and adding them and then finding the square root, which requires 4 steps. So in 2 steps you can find it. If you multiply it by 2 to make it a whole number, this will become 9, this will become 40. So you remember, okay, 9, 40 and 41. So this is going to be half of 41, which is 20.5.
Yeah.
So if you remember these 8, there are many that you can make from your own mind, and which will come across the questions in your textbook or any other textbook as well, but it will be among these 8 only. If there is any additional, we will add that 9th into this list of numbers. Till now, apart from these 8 Pythagoras triplets, I haven't seen anything else. All right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let us do some questions from the textbooks. So introduction to trigonometry, the first part.
Angle of elevation. I can't hear you. Hello?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, the mic battery was off now. I have to change it.
Yeah.
Check. Okay. Okay, so you know what is the angle of elevation?
Yeah, it's the angle that's over here. It's the triangle, so that is like that.
Okay, so when you do something good, you elevate, you feel good. Okay, I'm on a 9th cloud, so you do like this, head up. So
Yeah.
elevation means you are watching something in front of you at more than your height, and then this particular thing is known as line of sight, the hypotenuse. If I make a triangle like this, and if I say that your eyes are here, and if you are looking from this particular point, this line, this imaginary line is known as line of sight.
Yeah.
And this particular angle, which we say with the x-axis, we make with the horizontal. Okay, this angle is made using the horizontal. We say that this angle is known as angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. All right.
Yeah.
But it will not be always the case. Sometimes you may feel bad in your life, and then you will be depressed, and then and then you will always look down in ashamed. When I used to see some of the students who get fail or because of the some or the other reason, they are just like this. In fact, we were like this in the same manner when we didn't perform well. How was your exam? Okay, so we are in a depression mode. So when we are in a depression mode, that means we are looking down. So when we are looking down, then that angle is known as angle of depression.
Yeah.
Don't go by the logic. It is just for the sake of remembering it. So this angle is known as angle of depression. Now your eyes is on this part and you are looking down. Okay?
Yeah.
Are you getting it?
Yeah, I'm just writing it down.
Okay, so angle of depression is always equal to angle of elevation. Why? Because these two lines are parallel lines.
Yeah.
These two lines are parallel lines, and we say that in parallel lines the alternate interior angles are always equal. So they form a pair of alternate interior angles, so they are equal as well. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So with the terminology we have done enough of the things. Now let us do some questions. So the first question is, given that tan A is equal to 4 upon 3, find other trigonometric ratios of angle A. So immediately the first thing that we have to do is we have to draw a right angle triangle keeping the bottom angle as angle A.
Yeah.
Then you can name the other angle as angle B or C, whatever you choose. You can choose P and Q, but this angle has to be A. And if it is saying tan A is 4 by 3, you can make it 4, you can make it 3. So if it is 3 and 4, can you tell me what will be the third side? 5. Now tan A is 4 over 3 immediately implies that cot A is 3 over 4.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what will be sine A?
It would be.
Come on, in front of you. See, you can remember like this. Sine is always front. When you do sine, how you do the sine? In your front only. You can't do in the back. So sine is always done in the front. So when you look at the sine, it is always the front side. And when you take the cos, it is your adjacent side. Okay, cos is along with the angle. Cos is along with the angle, the side along with the angle, and sine is always from the front. So front side is 4. So it is 4 over 5.
Yeah.
So immediately it implies that cosec A is how much? 5 over 4. Can you tell me what will be cos A, beta?
It would be.
You have to say before my rating. It will be 3 over 5.
Yeah.
So what will be sec of A?
It would be 5 over 3.
Yes. Write down.
Yeah.
Done?
Not yet. Okay, done.
Okay. Moving on to the second question.
Yeah.
So you don't might be having these questions, I think, the proving part.
Yeah.
But you can learn it. It's a good thing. How we do in India. Okay, so the question is, if angle B and angle Q are acute angles, they are saying that angle B and angle Q are acute angles. such that sine of B is equal to sine of Q, you have to prove that angle B is equal to angle Q.
But if this sine, if it's the same, then of course it's going to be the same.
Okay, so we will say that if angle B and angle Q are acute angles, so what will be sine B? If I ask you what will be sine B, you will say it is going to be AC upon AB.
Yeah.
So what will be sine of Q? Sine of
AC
Q,
upon B. I mean, B.
it will be
PR
AR.
over B.
AR upon, no sorry, PR upon PQ.
Yeah.
This means that AC upon AB is equal to PR upon PQ.
Yeah.
So what I can do is I can bring AC down and take PQ on the other side. So it implies that PQ upon AB is equal to PR upon AC.
Yeah.
Are you getting it?
Yeah, I think. Because you just, yeah,
I have just replaced the value. PQ I have put it here, AC I brought it here.
Yeah.
Okay, so if these ratios are equal and you see that PQ and AB, where is PQ and AB? So this is PQ and this is AB, and where is PR? This is PR and this is AC.
Yeah.
So we can say that if two sides of a triangle are proportional, if two sides of a triangle are proportional, then, and this is right angle as well.
Yeah.
Wait. Okay, it is like this. We have to understand. Let us say that PR could be, let us say if these are equal, this is equal to K. Let us say these are equal to K. K is any constant. If you have a ratio, which are equal, then it should be something. It should be equal to something. Let us say it is equal to K. All right. In that case, let us say what will be AC upon AB? I think the approach was wrong. I think we have to again redo the question.
Okay.
You don't erase, don't write anything. Just first understand the concept and then do. All right.
Yeah.
So I said that the ratios are equal to a constant. I can just reverse it. I can put AC again on the top. So AC can be written as KAB. Are you getting it?
How?
If I put AC upon AB is equal to K, AB will be multiplied by K. So it will become AC is equal to KAB.
Yeah.
Okay. Again, I can say that PR will be equal to KPQ.
Yeah.
PR will be equal to KPQ. Are you getting this?
Yeah.
Let us find the third side. So if I ask you about what will be the third side, BC. So I have a Pythagoras triplet. I can say BC will be equal to under root of AB square minus AC square. Are you getting it? So AB square, I can write AB. What was AB? AC I can write as KAB. So I can write it as AB square minus KAB whole square. Instead of AC, I have written KAB. All right.
But how is KAB AC?
Here.
Oh yeah, got it.
I already made it. Okay.
Yeah.
So I can take AB outside, and inside I can write 1 minus K square.
Okay.
Are you getting it? BC I am writing it as AB times 1 minus K square. Now let us find out for RQ. What about RQ? So here we have, so I can write in the same manner. I can write, I'm writing here, RQ is going to be under root of PQ square minus PR square. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
RQ is going to be under root of PQ square minus PR square.
Yeah.
Now PR we can replace it by K times PQ. So I can write it as like under root of PQ square minus KPQ whole square.
Yeah.
Out of this I can take PQ outside and in bracket I will write 1 minus K square. Are you getting it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now if
So
now if I ask you what is BC upon RQ, what is BC upon RQ? You will find it is again equal to AB upon PQ, because under root 1 minus K square will get cancelled out.
Yeah.
So it will be equal to AB upon PQ. So now we can say the three sides are proportional to each other. And if the three sides are proportional to each other, the triangles are said to be similar triangles.
Yeah.
There is a rule. If the three sides are proportional, we say the triangles are similar. And if the triangles are similar, the angles are equal. So angle B is equal to angle Q.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Moving on to the next question.
Yeah.
Consider a right angle triangle ACB.
Yeah.
Which is right angle at C. And you tell me, if it is 21 and 29, what could be the third side? You tell me.
20.
Wonderful. Now they are asking, angle ABC is theta, okay, determine the values of sine square theta plus cos square theta. You don't need to calculate as well, because it is always equal to 1.
What's theta?
Theta is a variable which is used to represent any angle.
Okay.
To represent any value, any number, what variable we use? We use X, we use Y, we use Z, A, B, C, any variable that we use alphabets. To represent any angle, we can use the variables of alphabet as well. Apart from that, we use the alphabet. These are the symbols. This is known as theta. THETA.
Yeah.
So this symbol, theta.
Yeah.
This is known as alpha. You can write down.
Yeah.
This is known as beta. These are the Greek symbols. This is known as gamma.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah.
So sine square theta plus cos square theta is always 1. That is the Pythagorean identities I have already taught you. No need to calculate. Now the second question is cos square theta minus sine square theta. So cos square theta will be how much? Cos square is going to be 21 upon 29.
Yeah.
So you can write 21 upon 29 whole square minus sine square will be 20 upon 29 whole square. Now in naval student will what he does, he will find the square of 21 and 29, and then he will find the square of 20 and 29, and then he will do the question. And 99% of the students will do the question in the same manner. I might have done the same way, you might have done the same way, but today we will learn a special way. We will make a habit of doing the questions in a different way. Easy way we all know. So what is a different way? You can see that these questions are in the form of a square minus b square, x square minus y square. So that means x plus y into x minus y. Are you getting it? So we can write this as 21 minus 20 into 21 plus 20.
How?
Okay, this identity you don't know, x square minus y square is actually x plus y into x minus y. You know this or no?
Not really.
Okay.
Oh yeah. The quadratic equations.
No, it is not quadratic, beta. So there are so this is good that actually I am getting to know so many things. There are learning gaps which you should know. Okay, so this you should know. So what is the first algebraic identity? There are 10 algebraic identities. How many are there? 10.
10.
So we can make a note of 5 today. Algebraic identities.
Okay.
The first identity is x plus y whole square, which is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Please let me know if you know this.
I know that. I know that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
The second one is x minus y whole square, which is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square.
I also knew that.
Okay, then there is a third identity, which is one time we multiply with the plus part, then we multiply with the minus part, and then we don't get the middle event, we get only two terms, that is x square minus y square.
Oh, because yeah. Okay. Yeah.
See, x into x is x square, x into minus y will be minus xy, y into x will be plus xy, which will get cancelled out. Then y into minus y will be minus y square. So it is x square minus y square, the only identity which helps us in finding so many questions in a tricky way.
Yeah.
Then there is a fourth identity, which is x plus a into x plus b, which is equal to x square plus a plus b times x plus ab.
That is long.
Yeah, that is long. That is the quadratic. This is the quadratic identity. This is the quadratic identity.
Oh, I got that. I was just listening to you say it and it was long. I know that one.
Yeah, this is the quadratic identity.
I learned all of this, I think. I don't know why I got confused.
Okay, so this one is the important part. How it is important? Suppose somebody asks you what is 73 square minus 72 square. So don't calculate 73 square and don't calculate 72 square and subtract them. No, you can use this. And 73 minus 72 is 1 and 73 plus 72 is 145. So the answer is 145 for this. It becomes so easy. You just need to add the two numbers. That's it. Because the difference between two consecutive numbers is always 1.
Yeah.
So you have to add them and you have to find the difference and you have to multiply. So if the difference is 1, 1 multiplied to any number will be the same number only. So you just need to find the sum. That's it. If somebody asks you in future, what is 99 square minus 98 square? Don't just find the square and subtract them. Just add the two numbers. 8 plus 9 is 17. 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 1 19. This is our answer.
Yeah.
And you can see the same case goes here as well. So don't find the square of 21. We can find it. That is one way. But you should learn to do another way as well. So 21 minus 20 into 21 plus 20 divided by 29 square. So 21 plus 20 is how much? 41 divided by 841. This will be your answer.
Okay.
Understood? 29 square is how much? 841.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can make a note of it.
Can you show me the algebraic identities again?
Yes, why not?
need to finish writing them down. Okay, done.
Done?
Yeah.
There is one more identity. I think you should write that as well.
Okay.
So it is a plus b plus c whole square. I am using a plus b plus c because the z and 2 will get confused. So I am not writing x plus y plus z. Instead I am using a plus b plus c. So it is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca.
Okay. Done.
Done?
Yeah.
Now please do this question as well.
Yeah. Done.
Okay. Moving on to the next question.
Yeah.
In triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is equal to 1, then verify 2 sin A cos A is also 1. So immediately we will draw a triangle. We will make this as A, B and C, and they are saying tan A is equal to 1. That means this angle has to be 45 degree. Why? Because the perpendicular and the base has to be same. Suppose we can say that BC must be equal to AB. Because if I write, see, try to understand, if I write tan A is equal to 1, it implies that what is tan A? It implies that BC upon AB is actually 1. So they are actually saying that BC is equal to AB. And you can also say that these angles are 45 degree because this is 90. So it has become now an isosceles triangle. Whenever you see in your life that tan A or tan of any angle is 1, you have to immediately understand that that particular triangle is an isosceles triangle with both the angle as 45 degree.
Yeah.
So let us say if this is 1, this is 1, so this will be square root of 2.
Yeah.
Under root of 1 square plus 1 square is going to be 2. So can you tell me what will be 2 sin A cos A will be equal to? So 2 into sin A is how much? 1 upon root 2. And cos A is how much? 1 upon root 2. And root 2 and root 2 will together form and it will become 2, which is equal to 1, which is equal to RHS, which we need to prove.
What's RHS?
Right hand side. This is left hand side. If we are showing something, if we are proving something, we starts from left hand side. This is left hand side and we reach up to right hand side. we say that LHS is equal to RHS, the equation holds true. It is verified.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah.
You want to write?
So whenever it equals 1, it's just going to be 45 degrees.
Why it will be 45 degrees? That's your question?
Yeah.
Okay, it will be 45.
No, I get that. So I'm just like saying if any of them equal 1, then it's gonna be 1, and then it's gonna be 45 degrees, right?
Always, yes, always.
Okay.
Why it is so? Because 90 plus x is going to be 180. If see, these two angles are complementary angles. Can you tell me the two complementary angles which are equal to each other? They are 45 degree. 45 is the complementary of 45. So if the ratios are equal to 1, we say the angles are also equal, which will be equal to 45 degree.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Done?
Yeah.
Now they are saying in triangle OPQ, right angled at P, OP is equal to 7.
Yeah.
OP minus PQ is equal to 1. So if OP minus OQ is equal to PQ is equal to 1, then we can say this is going to be PQ plus 1.
Why?
See this? If I say that OQ minus PQ is equal to 1, I will take this PQ on this side. So I can say OQ is equal to PQ plus 1. This is OQ which is equal to 1 more than this. If the difference between these two sides is 1, then it means that this side is 1 more than this side.
Yeah.
Understood?
Okay. Yeah.
And if you remember the Pythagoras triplet with 7, can you tell me what is the Pythagoras triplet with 7?
It's 7, 24, 25.
So can you see the difference between 25 and 24 is also 1?
Yeah.
So the two sides are 25 and 24. Alright. So now can you tell me what is sine Q? So sine means you have to look in front.
It's 725. Yeah. Because it's 20. Yeah.
See, so easily done.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah. That is easy.
It was easy because you remember this. If you don't remember this, you have to find out this, and it will take a quadratic equation to solve.
Yeah.
So let me see if you can do the first question. So triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is 24, BC is 27. Please make the figure, express the side, tell me what will be sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C immediately.
Okay.
And the time that I will give you for this question is not more than 3 minutes, because after 4 minutes the class will also end.
Okay. Oh, this is also 7/24/25. Sine A cosine. Wait, but what am I meant to do with the numbers? So I've got 7/25 and 24/25, but then what?
That's it. That is the answer. You need to find sine A cos A. That's it.
Oh, okay.
So this is B. First thing you have to draw the figure. This is A, this is C. So AB is given as 24, BC is given as 7. So since you need to find the third side, but you already know the Pythagoras triplet, so it is 25. So that's why the question has become easy for you now.
Yeah.
So what will be sine A? Can you tell me what will be sine A? 7/25?
Yeah.
What will be cos A?
24/25.
Now can you tell me what will be sine C?
24/25.
And what will be cos C?
7/25.
Now you are in a good position to do some of the questions from IXL now to check it by yourself. So if you can log in your IXL.
Now?
Yes.
Okay.
And let me give you some homework as well.
Yeah. 1 minute. It's Misha 345, right?
Yeah. Don't say it. It is 354.
354.
And the password is 123. The name followed by 123.
Yeah.
Done?
Not yet. Oh, my sister also had IXL.
If you can share me your screen, I can guide you.
Yeah.
Are you able to do?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have already logged in. Go to learning.
Learning.
Yes. Go to skills. Go to math.
Oh. Wait.
Yeah, that's only. You can go to maths. Yes. Click on the math. That is language arts, beta. Just left to it. Oh, again you are doing the same process. You are in a loop. Can't you see maths on the left side?
Yeah, I know, but it's not letting me click on it.
After that, there is also one more maths. You are not clicking on that. Yes. Now you have to change it to grade. Wait. From where you got the sixth grade? Yes. Now you scroll down. Go to geometry G. Yes. Now scroll down. Come to quadrilaterals, below that Pythagoras theorem, below that you have to do P1 and P4 as well. That's your pending work. Right angle trigonometry, Q1. You can start with Q1. Yes. So do some of the questions. Sine, cos and tan. So what will be sine A? So sine means you do in the front. So from you put your eyes in A, see in the front, you will see it is 60/68. That is 60/68. So you just need to write 60, put a slash mark, or you can use that symbol of boxes. You can click that symbol of boxes, in that you can type 60 and 68. Now wait, Don't you have submitted the answer.
Um,
You need to find the ratio, beta. The ratio is you have to divide by the highest common factor.
Okay. Sine of
R. So the front is 12.
12.
You put your
But
eyes
that-
on R. The front is 12. 12 over 13.
Yeah. Submit.
Yes. Now I will tell you the trick. Can you tell me what is the highest common factor of all this?
Of this 2.
If you divide all the numbers by 2, what Pythagoras triplet you are getting?
13, 12, and 5.
5, 12 and 13. So you put yourself on W. Now you will tell me what will be cos W. Cos W means the side along with W. So it is 5 over 13.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah.
So can you do the rest of the questions by yourself?
Yeah.
Chalo, bye.
Bye.
Well done. You can please practice to do P1 and P4, that is your homework, and Q1 you can along with that you can go to Q2, Q3 in your free time. You can watch the video as well. On the top you can see there is a video on the right side. Can you see there is a video option? Where there was question answered is 4, where there is written question answered is 4, just next to it. No, above beta, on the right side where the 4 is there. Yes, there is a video. So please do watch the video. It is of 4 to 5 minutes only, and then you can proceed by doing the questions. All right.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.